Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, and today we're going to be unboxing the Felony All-Road Street Bash 6S BLX from Arrma. So what we have here is the Arrma Felony 6S BLX. I couldn't resist. Tower Hobbies had it for, I think it was $130 off, something like that. Tower's been having some great sales this season, so get on over there and check out their sales. And you too could pick yourself up a nice little 6S or something else for quite a deal. I mean, they even had, oh, what was it? The Fire Team, I think, for 40% off, which that's some crazy savings right there. And it was, I believe, the 8S, and it was like $500 off. I'm not that crazy though. So this is a 1/7 four-wheel drive brushless resto mod muscle car, fully ready to run. All you need to do is buy some batteries for the controller and get yourself some 3S batteries, which I have. And there's a little bit of the specs there. We won't go too much into the specs, but it is run off of the smart technology from Spektrum. So let's go ahead and break this factory seal and see how this baby comes boxed, and then we'll throw a couple batteries in it and take it for a rip up and down the street just for a quick little runs right out of the box, so you guys can see what you're getting in case you want to get yourself a Felony Street Bash 6S BLX this Christmas. So this thing's much larger than I thought it was going to be, and it is awesome. So it does have different kinds of things that you can put on the hood, so you can trick yours out and customize it a little bit. I opted for the orange body because I thought the orange body looks hot. So it does come with its cellophane protection there. So here we have our controller. So let's go ahead and pop this out really quick and take a look. And there is your basic Spektrum controller. There you go. It's got the throttle limiter on her. And this is a little bit fancier than the other Arrmas I have. Not that much fancier, but... So we'll put that aside now. And what else do we have in our little box of tricks here? I think this is the manual and all the goodies. So yeah, the manual and all your goodies, like your... See, there's a supercharger for it. You got some box wrenches in there and some stuff like that. The manual, some extra stickers so you can customize it all you want. So that's where the manual and all that stuff is. We'll throw those just aside right there because we don't need that box. All right, so now let's go ahead and pull out this Felony. It is zip tied to the bottom here, so we'll have to pop those zip ties. So let me pop those zip ties real quick. Okay, we got those zip ties popped, so let's pull her out. And we'll show you that the box is empty now. Scoot that box over, and we'll throw her down. Wow, she's big. Take a look next to my foot here. Give you a size. I really like this orange paint too. That is pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and take the cellophane off. Ooh. All right, so now let's pop the pins and take a look on the inside. So look at that slick Arrma work on there too. Kind of ghosted in there. That's pretty cool. Stuff that doesn't come across when you look at the pictures. Oh, look at that flat pan. Oh, this thing's even better than I thought it was going to be. Awesome. Nice flat pan. As you can see, set up for your 6S. One 3S here, one 3S on either side. Get these zip ties out of the way here. And it's all set up for bashing. It's got some pretty heavy duty shocks on there. And you can check out all the specs. I'll leave a link in the description to the car. But this thing is pretty sick. Looks like it's got Mod 1 gears on there. And yeah, all we need to do now is throw a battery in and take this thing for a little rip up and down the street. But I think I'm gonna really like this thing. So let's do it. Let's throw a couple batteries in there and take it for a rip up and down the street. Okay, we've got batteries in and we've got the controller on. Let's plug her in. Okay, we got batteries in. She's plugged in. The controller's on. Oh, there she goes. Ooh. Let's check her out. Oh boy. All right, let's throw the top on. Okay, here we go. It's pretty fast. All right, let's check our steering trim. I think my steering trim's off a little bit. All right, here we go. Whew. That sucker is fast. So I can only take a couple of little rips up and down this street because this thing needs some big open parking lot. This thing is fast. All right, let's do a street level launch. Whew. I'll tell you guys, this thing is ridiculously fast. Woo! Yeah, so we'll definitely get you guys another video where we take it out to a parking lot and we get you guys some really good footage of this baby because this thing is smoking fast. Oh, our first back. Ouch. Ah, not too bad. since we're up against the curb, how about a burnout? Ready? Oh boy, look at this. They were smoking. What? Look at that. Left the rubber. Yeah, this thing's badass, guys. Oh, and yes, the tires really do smoke. So if you want a really cool, badass gift for Christmas for the RCer in your life, yeah, one of these 6S all-road bashers. Remember, this isn't off-road, this is on-road, but it's pretty capable of doing gravels and stuff like that. Now you're gonna bash up your car a little bit, but I mean, that's what an Arrma's for, is for being a basher. So let's take one more rip up and down the street. All right, well, I'm gonna have a little bit of more fun with this, and we'll get you guys a better video where we can do some real ripping and tearing through parking lots and do some real good bashing with this good Felony 6S. But I know I'm gonna have a heck of a lot of fun with this guy. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.